Manipur Lomi Loop, in association with the Irawat Celebration Committee, kick-started the month-long observance of 129th birth anniversary of Lamyan Bahijam Irawat at Irawat Bhawan in Imphal. Chairman of CPI Manipur State Council Control Commission, Comrade Alangol Iboyaima, Secretary of MSC CPI, Comrade L. Thoirel, President of Irawat Celebration Committee, Dr. M. Nara, and President of Manipur Lomi Loop, Comrade M. Singhajit, among others, attended the event. The event also paid floral tribute to the portrait of Lamyan Bahijam Irawat. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of the Irawat Celebration Committee, M. Joykumar Luwang, noted that Lamyan Bahijam Irawat was born and passed away in September. He highlighted Irawat's significant contributions during his lifetime and appealed to the public to support development projects to help the state achieve progress.
September Tabum Haibase, Irawat, Kipunsiga Yam and Naknaba Adumba, Warini, Haibadi, September the Manuashida, Mahaki Popa, Numit Laiba, September Contra, Adugos Magal, Tangsha City, Tukiba Dumba Numit, September Kuntaruk, Tangboda Lake, Numitsu, September Manuashida Taba, Yonana, Manipur Namke, Kanabakita Makta, Odazavada, Adumba, Underground, Tahan Kiba, Adumba Numit, September Kunga Matoi, Asuma Numit Asisu, September Tanumashida Labelina. Asima September, have a tabu maser, Yamna Maki Bunsiga, Nangaba Mari Lenaba, Tongan Baluk, Masum Isam, Miam, intellectual, the Tongan putting Makima Panda, Maikoina, Irawat Celebration Committee, Injunction Janingbadi, Tamatuna, Social Service for you, Ekapu, Alba Manipuri, Kanabi Damakta, Sanjan Bayaba, Ponjang, Satamina, Si, Haina, Yang, Panda, Apil Togeri.